And hello there, 30 minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is the Boost Brave bike version for the 30 minutes mission extended armament vehicle. Yes, so as you can see in the box art, this is for 30 minutes missions, and we see some of the mechs riding it, and of course, much more cooler than the actual mecha riding a big bike. And off to the side, what you can see here is, yes, here it is, the front. You can do a swivel on it. The rear, how it looks. Here, I think some mechs are riding it. And here they are featuring that, of course, it can be also ridden by the 30-minute sisters. And of course, something about the joint cord that's new. Off to the other side, here it is. Still portraying that it can be customized with other 30-minute missions mecha, and of course information. Now take a look and seeing what's inside the box. We have one bag with all grays and all whites, another bag with all gray and the clear blue, another bag for all grays, dark gray and white, some light grays there. And lastly, is that the last bag is all black or but gray. And yes, we cannot forget about the instruction manual for the Boost bike. Sorry, for the Boost bike version. Yes, here it is, and as you can see, it is riding the Iglite. Yep, 01 over here, and I think that's all that it has here. But it does tell you in the box that you can, customize it with the 30-minute sisters. Now, let's take a look individually at each of the screens. So first off, we have the SMW1, which is all gray. It also has a W2, which is still also all gray, and maybe some of the parts of it are available. And we have the X1, which is all white. Again, for the X2, which is also all white. And it has a Y1, which is a lighter shade of gray. And then the Y2 here, which is the clear blue. And we have not just one, but we have two of the Z's. And then we have not just one, but two of the new joint block. And there you have it, 30 minutes fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the 30 minutes missions Boost Brave bike version. Yeah, so it really looks like a big bike wherein the mecha can ride. At least it's a set up for the what you call it, the canon bike version that they first created. And this is me sourcing. If you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leave a like, share the video, share the videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.